nighty night. We just came back home with our friends. We were in the Krishna temple, and on the way back we stopped for some recycling and we found some hummus, a lot of hummus, and this is not all. And tomorrow is ravioli for lunch. We have some tortilla, nice. We have paprika. Oh, we have so much. We have cheese. We have more cheese and more cheese and more thingy hummus and a lot of bread. So, oh, and of course, for dessert, donuts. Yes, and already had some ice cream on the way. And on the table there's some yogurt. Yeah, so when you come to Tenerife, you will not die of hunger, that's for sure. Bon appetit.